Most people get credit card reviews wrong by focusing only on rewards, but there's more to consider like fees, redemption options, and perks. Today, I'm giving you an honest review of the BMO Cashback MasterCard so you can make an informed decision before applying. The BMO Cashback MasterCard offers 3% cash back on groceries, 1% on recurring bill payments, and 0.5% on all other purchases. This makes it a solid choice for everyday spending, especially if you spend heavily on groceries. Most people get this wrong by assuming cashback cards are only for large purchases, but small daily purchases add up quickly. There's no annual fee, which is a huge advantage for new cardholders or those who prefer a low-maintenance card. The APR is variable, so paying off your balance in full each month is crucial to avoid interest charges. Most people underestimate how quickly interest can eat into rewards if you carry a balance. Redemption is flexible. Cashback can be applied as a statement credit, deposited directly into your BMO account, or redeemed for purchases through BMO Rewards. You can also track your rewards easily using the BMO mobile app, which makes managing your card straightforward. On the downside, the 1% category is limited to recurring bills, so travel and dining rewards are minimal. If you spend heavily on non-grocery categories, you might find the return less competitive than other cards. Most people overlook this and get disappointed when expecting higher overall rewards. In conclusion, the BMO Cashback MasterCard is a great no annual fee option for grocery-heavy spending and everyday bills. Its simple reward structure, flexible redemption, and low fees make it a smart choice for steady cash back without complications. Subscribe for more honest credit card reviews to help you pick the best card for your lifestyle.